Sending emails is a very important part of online business. Whether it is sending order confirmation, password reset email, newsletters, or marketing campaigns, email helps you to stay connected with users and customers. But many email tools are either too expensive or too complex for beginners. This is where EmailIt comes in. EmailIt is designed to make transactional and marketing emails simple, fast, and reliable for creators and startups and also for the businesses. EmailIt is an email delivery platform that combines transactional emails, marketing campaigns, SMTP support, and API in one system. It is built for people who want to send emails without worrying about complicated setup or multiple tools. Even better, EmailIt is available as a lifetime deal through AppSumo, which means you pay once and you can avoid the monthly email software cost. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you grow using smart tools and special deals. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from the description to check out the EmailIt through AppSumo. When you use the description link, the lifetime deal will be applied automatically, so you can start sending emails without recurring fees. Now let's come to the main part of the video and understand how EmailIt works and why it can be useful for beginners and growing businesses. First, let's talk about the transactional emails. These are emails that are sent automatically when a user takes an action like signing up, placing an order, or resetting a password. EmailIt makes it very easy to send this kind of emails reliably, and you don't need deep technical knowledge. You can connect EmailIt using SMTP or API and start sending system emails smoothly. This is especially helpful for developers, SaaS founders, and website owners. EmailIt also supports marketing emails. You can create and send campaigns directly from the platform. This means you don't need a separate email marketing tool for newsletters or announcements. You can manage both transactional and marketing emails from one dashboard, which saves time and reduces the confusion. Another strong feature is built-in SMTP support. SMTP allows your website or app to send emails securely. With EmailIt, you can connect your website, app, or software easily and start sending emails without worrying about email delivery issues. This is very useful for WordPress site, custom apps, and online platforms. For more advanced users, EmailIt offers the API support. This allows developers to send emails programmatically and integrate EmailIt into their system. Even if you are not a developer, it's good to know that EmailIt can scale with your business as it grows. Ease of use is a big advantage of EmailIt. The dashboard is clean and simple. Send emails, deliver status, and campaign performance easily. Beginners wouldn't feel lost, and experienced user will appreciate the smooth workflow. Deliverability is another important point. Emails are only useful if they reach the inbox. EmailIt focuses on reliable email delivery, helping your transactional and marketing emails reach the users instead of landing in spam. This is critical for business that depend on email communication. Cost is where EmailIt really stand out. Many email platforms charge monthly fees based on the uses. With EmailIt's lifetime deal on AppSumo, you make a one-time payment and you can get the long-term access. This is ideal for startups, solopreneurs, and small businesses that want predictable cost. EmailIt can be used by many types of user. SaaS founder can use it for system emails. E-commerce business can send the order update. Marketers can run campaigns. Developers can use the API. All of this possible from one platform. Overall, EmailIt is a practical and beginner-friendly email solution that combines transactional emails, marketing campaigns, SMTP, and API support in one place. The lifetime deal through the AppSumo. This makes it a smart option for anyone who wants to send emails easily without paying every month. So that's all for today's video. If this EmailIt review helped you to understand how it can support your business or project, give this video a like and share it with someone who needs a simple email solution. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.